Today I thought to create some different video on iPhone. So Apple just launched iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone Pro 17. So I thought to guide you how much it will cost you if you buy in UK. So if you planning to buy iPhone 17 Pro, it will cost you £1,099 or £45 for 24 months. Next one is iPhone Air. This is the thinnest one. It's much better and I'll recommend this one. It will be £999. The third one is iPhone 17, which is £799, bit affordable. The 17 is in comparison to iPhone 16 because iPhone 16 and 17 comparatively same. So in this video I will also compare, I will also guide you where you can go and buy this iPhone. So let's compare iPhone models. So iPhone 17 Pro is on this line. The first one, second one is iPhone Air, third one is iPhone 17. If we go down, this is the pricing strategy. The summary, clearly if we see the size of iPhone 17 Pro is much bigger compared to the other ones. Yes, this one got the aluminum body, which is something good. This one is titanium frame. This is exactly the same for them. The chip, yes, in this one and this one got the same chip. iPhone A19 Pro, iPhone 17 just got A19 Pro. So chip is not that. The only thing is good with the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the battery life, up to 37 hours video playback. It got 18 megapixel stage, so they all got the same camera. Rest is all the same over here. Even if we see this, that's same. Only new difference is ultra wide 48 megapixel fusion telephoto. That's new. But if you are if you're really creating videos, then you do need this. Otherwise everything is the same. They all got the C port, support USB 3 for up to 20% faster transfers. Okay, that's just for the data. 25 watt, that's all same. Capacity 256. Okay, this one got 2 terabyte. That's new. So iPhone 17 Pro Max got 2 terabyte. That's huge. Now let's see the display. Display is roughly the same. There is not massive difference. They all three same, everything is same. Size, yes, that's where I will focus which one is which one is heavier. So the weight is 231 grams for this one, iPhone 17 Pro Max. 165, so massive difference between Pro Max and Air, and iPhone 17 and Air got the same weight technically. So the thin part, yes, this one is 5.64, this one is 7.94, this one is 8.75. this is a bit thick. Height wise, obviously Pro Max is the biggest one. Okay, that's all same over here, all old. Chip, obviously they mentioned A19 chip, so new name. Roughly you can say that because you probably, even if you go iPhone 16, that would do the same job. 48 megapixel, this is just a new 48 megapixel fusion telephoto. That's new. Okay, let's see anything new. That's all same. Video, won't be bothered. Front camera 18 megapixel, 18 megapixel, 18 megapixel. That's all same. Okay, let's do this way. Let's select iPhone 16. So if anyone got iPhone 16 Pro Max, let's see what they getting, and iPhone 17 don't have. So if we go up, chip, so 6 core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, 6 core GPU. So this one got 5 core GPU. So iPhone, if you go iPhone 16 Pro Max, that's exactly the same like this one. There's not massive difference. Everything is same on this side. Camera wise, this one got 48 megapixel telephoto, this one got 12 megapixel telephoto. Okay, so if you go iPhone 16 Pro Max, already there is no point of upgrading because I don't see any massive difference in terms of the phone wise, because all rest is the same over here. So this is iPhone 17 Pro Max. Obviously they came up with the new color, but if you see, this one don't have this. So Pro Max got this dot, but this one don't have this. Technically Pro Max is more looks like something much better than that one. So this is what I thought to show you. Obviously the price is a bit cheaper compared to what they have launched last year. So hope this video helps you if you wanted to decide which one you want to buy. I won't recommend to buy if you already have iPhone 15 or 16. There's no point, because that's what I was expecting, if they will come up with something new technology, which they have not. Hope this video helps you. And if you have any question, send me an email.